In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Google Ads. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for HubSpot CRM. Once the results page loads, click on the link for HubSpot CRM software. This will redirect you to HubSpot's official homepage where you'll find the option to Get Started Free. Click on that. Now, if you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you're new to HubSpot, you'll need to create an account by entering your details. Choose your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions for account setup. After you've logged in, you should see your user dashboard. Here, if you're prompted to do so, click on Continue with this user to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to select an account. Make your selection by clicking on the relevant account name and then click on Continue with this account. With that done, you're now fully logged into your HubSpot account. Your next stop is the HubSpot Marketplace. You'll find this by navigating to the Marketplace icon, which is usually at the top of the page or in a drop-down menu. Once there, click on HubSpot Marketplace to enter their App Store. Within the Marketplace search bar, type in Google Ads. This will bring up available apps, including a listing for Google Ads. Click on the Install button located next to it. The system will guide you through a series of prompts to authenticate the installation. Follow these prompts carefully. When prompted, click Continue with this account to ensure you're linking the right Google Ads account. Now you are just about ready to start using Google Ads with HubSpot. Click on Get Started with Ads to begin setting up your integration. In the following steps, ensure you click on Google Ads for any prompts or options. This ensures that any operations or data syncs are correctly aligned between your Google Ads account and HubSpot. At this stage, you'll be required to choose your Google account. This is the account you wish to connect with HubSpot. Enter your Google account credentials and click Continue. Once signed in, you may need to grant permissions to HubSpot to access certain data on your Google Ads account. Review the permissions and then click Continue again to finalize the connection process. The last step in this integration process is to follow any additional on-screen procedures HubSpot may require. These steps are essential to ensure the full functionality of the integration. Complete these steps carefully to start leveraging the synergies of HubSpot and Google Ads. With this integration, analyzing your ad performance through HubSpot's tools becomes seamless, giving you better insights into your marketing efforts. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and see you next time.